Alright, so welcome to the first magic theory video, right? Believe me, this is a very difficult part, but that's why very difficult theory thing, but that's why I wanted to present it first, so then you guys can apply it more. So this video is on ambidexterity, right? Ambidexterity is not necessarily a new concept, right? We've seen manipulators use both hands to do equal amounts of like the same load, you can say. But what I wanted to talk about concerning ambidexterity is how it helps enhance some certain sleights, right? And this mainly draws inspiration from Dennis Kim and Tony Chang. So if you want to check out ambidexterity more in detail, you can check out Dennis Kim's project Ephemera, and also his Savant project and his Patreon. So yeah, so ambidexterity essentially involves learning sleights in both hands, right? You can have a thumb fan in your left hand and also learn a thumb fan in the right hand, right? But there's a reason why this is supposedly supposed to enhance your sleights, right? So both hands actually, when handling cards, have certain disadvantages, right? So when you thumb fan in your left hand, you'll notice that you'll actually display all the pips, right, as a right-hander, right? But as a left-handed person, if you do a thumb fan, you'll notice that all the pips show blank. So that's just one simple example as to certain disadvantages for just having knowing one hand, right? But obviously that's targeting like left-handed people being unable to fan like normally without doing a reverse fan. But let's take this a step further with sleights. Let's take, for example, the paintbrush change, right? If you do the paintbrush change as a right-hander, you'll notice that your thumb is holding the bottom right corner, which hides the pip, right? And that's not ideal. You'll notice that when I do the paintbrush change from a left-handed perspective, you'll notice that I'm not covering any of the pips, right? Because I'm holding it by a blank corner. So in this case, a left-handed person would have a bigger advantage. And so learning sleights in both hands would actually be beneficial in this case, because you'll notice which hands have a better display of a card. So let's take the snap change, for example, right? If you do a snap change from a right-handed perspective, you'll notice that I'm actually covering the pip again. But if I do it from a left-handed perspective, I'm actually not covering anything because I'm holding it from a blank corner. So both hands have their own ups and downs, but that is why we have ambidexterity, right? You become adept at handling cards in both hands, right? So if you want like a more natural looking reverse blank fan, rather than doing one from your left hand, you can actually just do it from your right hand, right? So these are just very simple examples as to what ambidexterity can accomplish, right? But that's why I'm presenting it to you guys, right? So then you guys can explore the possibilities even further, and you guys can check out Dennis Kim's work on ambidexterity, right? His Patreon, Ephemera, Savant. They're all great projects that have ambidexterity involved. You can also check out some card manipulation projects, right, where they teach productions from both hands. I'm not a card manipulator, so I don't really know much, but if you watch some FISM X, you'll notice that they actually produce cards from both hands. So whether or not you apply this theory is up to you, but this is something I wish I had learned earlier, because now I'm kind of limited, I'm stuck to my ways, and I have this option to have a broadened magic horizon, you could say. So this is just really light work on ambidexterity as a theory. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, see you guys next time.